Hey everyone, welcome to Ashwantharame. Today's section we are going to learn material functions in Unreal Engine 5.6. So let's just start by creating a basic material. So I already created a material. If you don't know, just go there and create a basic material. This is the material. And now from that material, the same time we are going to create a material instance as well. And we will rename it as base CTRL instance. Okay, let's name it CTRL. That's it. Okay. Now, what we want to do, let's grab a material. Yeah. So I just dropped the material that I got from Fab. So it has albedo, ambient occlusion, normal, and roughness. And one more thing we want to add right now is we'll just go to the material, and in the advanced section you'll see the material functions here. Okay, so let's name it function. So this is the function material. So what's the benefit of this function material is, once you created a functional material here, a material function here, you can grab these functional nodes anywhere onto your Unreal Engine projects. Okay, once you create, that's the template you can use in whatever project you want. Okay, just grab and drop there on the material section, and that's how material functions work. Now I just created a function. So before that I have to create the basic material. So this is the basic material. You can see. Now what I want to do is just drag and drop this material assets here and make sure that this one is shared wrap. Now I just want to connect these nodes according to this one, normal. So now I just want to control the UV maps of this texture individually. For that we will create a function node. So we already created a function node, but we will do some arrangements there. So let's do some arrangements there by opening the function material here. There is a difference between the user interface of function material and the basic material. Now as you can see, you'll see a a purple color output result node here. We will add some nodes here as well. Let's add function input. Oh, sorry, not this one. My mistake. Function input, this one. So I just want to make the U and V sections separately here to control the UV map of this structure separately on the instance. For that I will rename it this one as, because we want to know while dealing with the instance. That's why I rename it here U texture. So this one is the U texture, and I will just CV, Control C, Control V, and I will rename it here as V. This one is to control the V texture, and this one is to control the U texture. I mean the maps. Now what I want to do is create a texture coordinate. This one. Now what I want to do is add a component component mask, this one. So this one acts like a mask. Sorry. just type mask. Yeah. So as you can see, you have red channel, green channel, blue channel, and alpha. Now here I need only red channel, and I'll just copy paste, and I will here I'll mark the green channel only, untick the red channel. So we check here a red channel and we check here the green channel. So we have two masks. Now what I want to do, we're going to connect this cluster connected here and here. Now we will multiply. We'll connect this one here and we'll connect this one here. And now finally what we want to do is we'll add some other node called the append vector, this one. Since we just want to add these two nodes together here, because we can't, so we chose append node to connect these two nodes to here. So let's just add this one here, this one here. Now as you can see, there is an error showing here. That's because we haven't chosen here. We need to choose function input scalar. Don't forget that. Sorry for that. Let's change this here as the function input scalar. This is very important because we don't need here as function vector input 2 or 3 or something like that. We just want to add scalar here and here as well. So while you're dealing with the function input here, you just make sure that you have selected this value function input scalar here. Now the error has gone. Now let's apply and save. So now you created a function input for the basic texture. So we just want to add the function node here. Let's just drag and drop it here. Now you can see the V texture and U texture value showed here. Now okay, now let's just add this value here, this value here. Yeah, I see this error. We'll deal with that. So it's showing an error because we haven't connected a controller here. So let's just hold one on the keyboard and left click on the mouse. You'll see this one and convert to parameter and just type v underscore ctrl control again and u underscore ctrl. Now connect both these values here. Now the error has gone because we had two nodes to control that. Okay, apply and save. Now you can control the U and V textures with the instance. Let's just drop the material basic instance here. You can see now I just going to open the instance. You can see under the global scalar parameter values, you'll see U control and V control. We just created there on the base structure here. From that you can control these U and V maps. See, it's totally completely procedural. Yeah. So this is a professional way to create master texture like this. Always remember that this function node we had created, you can use this function wherever you want, on anywhere on the project you created on Unreal Engine. Not only this project, it's a template you created here. Okay, it's totally procedural. You can add more, and lot of customizable things are here. Now we can add the custom rotation, offset values, and randomizing settings here as well. So we can control a lot of things here as well with the function node. So in the next section, we will create some offset values and customization rotation of the texture, and we will learn how to mix multiple textures in master material. So this is for today's section. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and make sure you hit the like button, and thank you.